morning, students. Today we are going to study about different methods of cooking and preservation of food. Have you ever thought why food needs to be cooked? I know you are very excited to answer. Let me tell you. Students, we need to cook food as it makes the food soft, tasty and easy to digest. Cooking has many more benefits. Cooked food can be preserved for a long time. It makes the food germ-free and safe to eat. Cooking has to be done very carefully. Food should not be overcooked as it may lead to loss of nutrients present in the food. We do not always cook all our food items. Many fruits, vegetables like cucumber, carrot, radish, etc. are often eaten raw. We must make sure that all such food items are washed properly before they are eaten. Now let us discuss some methods of cooking food. So our first method is boiling. Do you know milk is usually boiled before consuming, as boiling kills germs that can spoil the milk. Boiling helps to preserve milk for a longer time. Food can be cooked by boiling it in water for some time. Pulses are usually cooked by boiling them in water for different period of time. Eggs can also be cooked by boiling them. Now next method is steaming. In this case, cooking is done by steam obtained by boiling water. Our deep vessel can be used for this type of cooking. Steaming shortens the duration of cooking and helps in conserving nutritive value of the food. Steam cooked food is also easy to digest. Food like idli, dokla are prepared by this method. Baking. Indirect heating with or without oil is known as baking. Baking is usually done in an oven. Cakes, biscuits are made by baking. Roasting or direct heating. This is the oldest method of cooking. Vegetables are often cooked by direct heating on fire. Chapatis are also usually made by direct heating on flame. This method is frying. Many of us have enjoyed foods like pakoras and jalebis. These are prepared by frying their ingredients in hot oil. This method is not a very healthy method of cooking food, so it is advisable to avoid fried food. Now let us discuss some methods of preservation of food. Processing of food to prevent their spoilage and to retain their nutritive value for a long period is called preservation. Preservation of food helps in following ways. It increases the storage period of the food. It helps to transport food to distant places. Also, it helps to store food for seasons when they are not available. Now, let us discuss some methods of preservation. First one is canning. By canning, food can be preserved for a long time, but flavor is affected. In this method, food is heated to high temperature to kill the microbes. It is then sealed in cans and airtight containers. Next is drying. This method is used to preserve vegetables, fruits and some meats. In this method, water is removed from the food so that the microbes die, as they cannot live without water. Pickling. In pickling, vinegar or oil is used which kills the microbes and protects the food. Oil prevents the growth of bacteria. Now, jam making. Sugar syrup is used to preserve food because sugar prevents the growth of bacteria. Jams stay for a long time without getting spoiled due to the sugar syrup present in them. Now the last one is deep freezing. Food can stay for a few weeks in deep freezers without getting spoiled because the temperature of 0 degree Fahrenheit or below that can stop bacterial growth. So kids, that's all about the chapter food and digestion. I hope you must have enjoyed today's session. So I will meet you in the next class with some new topic or some new videos. So, till then, stay safe and keep smiling.